So it's about 3:30 in the afternoon and we're having a very big downpour. It is monsoon season. We haven't had a lot of rain to speak of, but it's certainly coming down today. There's our drain pipe up there. It's overflowing. And our fish pond is overflowing. But I must say the weather has dropped, the temperature, sorry, has dropped considerably. I just noticed here we've got a bit of a flood in the Thai kitchen. Oh, because we left the door open. And this kitchen is open, so if the rain gets too heavy, sometimes it blows right in. But we've got a bit of a flood in here at the moment. Our gardener's here potting some plants, and look at these two. They're helping. Zoe's hiding over here.
All body mix. Wake up.
Yes. Oh, Simon, you right?
Slipped.
Yeah, we're heading there. Yeah, we have to detour and get some hot mix.
So the gardener's finished potting the trees with the help of the cats. They look lovely. So this is the banana tree we cut down the other day. Look, it's already growing back, I should say. It's amazing how fast they grow. Zoe, do you know what happened to your new condo there? It's completely wrecked. I think we need to tighten the screws a bit. Look, this is all wrecked here. But it is getting used, so that's the main thing. What are you two up to out here?
Well, we're just kind of planning our day out this morning. I might have to go and get a pedicure done because I'm starting to look a bit ratty down there, so might have to think about doing that. But that's about all we've come up with so far. This one really needs to go to the vet to have his chin checked with this. What he's got on his chin there, that all brown and everything.
He's got a bit of chin acne.
Chin acne, yeah. Well,
there it is.
You
Look
can
at
see that there now. It's not fleas.
Kevin's having a chat to Cleo. I don't think it's a very nice chat though, Kevin, is it? Guess who's eating this? Bet you can't guess. drive-up fruit stall. We always come here. This lady's nice and friendly.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
What have you bought now, Chris?
Well, Linda, this time I just spotted something. We were at the night market somewhere, and I just spotted something that's just brought back some memories. And people, those of you who are around my age, I'm sure will remember this. And it's come back to life again, basically, and it's become quite popular in Thailand. You might be surprised. I think maybe not just Thailand, but everywhere else as well. And that's the good old yo-yo. Now look at that. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw it. That was only 200 baht. It's an original product. It's not a counterfeit or anything, so I believe. But there she is there. Look at it. Blazing teens. So here's one that I prepared earlier, right here, and this is actually a clear one. Now look at that. I just got to put the string on it, and then we'll be able to do some yo-yo tricks like I used to do back in the day, being the yo-yo champion of Far North Queensland. Imagine how amazing that was. The string and everything. Couldn't buy any replacement strings, but that's, and oh look, and there's some kind of there's a manual here and instructions and all about yo-yo play. There we go. How about that? A blast from the past. Thunder yo-yo, which we will be able to do. I think that's what they're talking about on the instructions. Some extensive editing will be required here. There we go. Now we're starting to cook with gas, as they say. And that goes over the yo-yo like that. That's her there, I think. And this is the on the finger. Let's see if we can get it going like it used to be. Still filming?
Yeah.
They always were a bit hard to start off, I think. You haven't lost it. Damn, you might have it.
She got up and left.
Cleo.
Cleo, come back. She's scared. Or maybe it's going to rain. Come on, see? Oh! Oh, dear. Look at that.
Walk the dog.
It's good too.
Walk the dog again. Mate, so you know it's not a fluke.
Hang on, point it down. Alright, go on. Look, he won't put it down now. You will have it. Did he smash the window?
Oh.
Just picked up this non-stick cooking pan from Lotus's. I'm going to do some cooking with this non-stick pan because last time I used the non-stick baking paper around the wrong way and everything stuck to it, so I've decided to buy this. So if you want to see what I'm going to bake with my non-stick cooking pan, please subscribe, press the button, we'd love it. Thank you.